Hi guys! Welcome to vlog 1.5. For today's video, it's going to be a little bit different because we're not actually traveling, but we're just here in my room. I'm here lounging. As you can see, I'm in my joggers. This is how I look like when I'm just in the house. So, yeah, we're actually here to celebrate some milestones for our little channel because, believe it or not, our channel is already 1 month old. Yes, 1 month. Yeah. So, October last month, I thought of uploading my very first video of me jogging. So, it was early in the morning. I was bored. I was doing nothing and I thought of filming myself while running. So, that's it. I uploaded it in YouTube and I didn't expect people will start watching it. So, that was my very first video. And the second video was a random video of me with my friends and my sister. We were having a road trip in New Zealand and the playlist was so random, so I thought of filming myself while singing along the songs. And who would have thought that same video will already have more than 700 views as of today. But the very milestone we're going to celebrate is that one video, particularly Marco in Paris, already has more than 1,200 views as of today. So really, I'm so touched. I didn't expect it to be that hit, but yeah, maybe for others 1,200 is just a small number, but for me it's actually very big because who would have thought it was just a random thing for me to do, sharing videos and pictures from my old channels. And thank you all so much for viewing. Lastly, another milestone we're going to celebrate is our channel has already more than 250 subscribers as of today. So thank you all so much for being here. To my friends and family who supported me in this new venture of mine, thank you so much. And I hope you still be there. Another milestone we're going to celebrate, guys, is that I was already able to make my very first vlog, which was the trip to Moalboal. Thing is very new to me because I'm not used to talking in front of the camera, filming myself while traveling, and yeah, but I was able to pull it through. In the last part of my first vlog, I asked for your very honest comments and criticisms with regards to the first vlog, and I received quite a lot. So thank you all for giving me such feedback. I'm going to share with you some of the positive and not so positive feedbacks, okay? Number 1. One friend said the video was well edited. I don't know what to say. I'm still learning how to edit. I mean, this thing is new to me. Another feedback is that the song choice is nice. Particularly UK, thank you so much for loving the song in the intro, and yeah, I'm going to sing it. Third comment is the language. Actually, I don't know if it's a positive or a negative, but a lot of you are asking why I am talking in English. Actually, the reason for that is because I can see from the views that some of the viewers are coming from outside of the Philippines. So some are foreigners. So I thought of making the vlog in English so that they can also understand and entice them to visit the Philippines someday soon. And at the same time, they can also experience my travels abroad. And they can also understand what I've been talking. Filipinos can understand naman English, diba? And another reason why I talk in English is because I don't want to put subtitles. It's so tedious and very painstaking to put subtitles kung mag-Bisaya. But don't worry, one day I'm going to have a Bisayan content, and not just Bisaya. I could even upload later on Waray or Surigao-non, Ilonggo, or any other language for that matter. So thank you for those positive comments. For the not so positive comments, I get a lot of comments that I'm awkward. Of course, I'm awkward. I'm new to this, babaya. I mean, like, vlogging and recording myself is new to me. I'm not used to this. So, yeah, if you think I'm awkward, yes, I'm very awkward. And also, believe it or not, I'm also shy as a person. Shy ko. Another feedback is that one viewer said, he's actually a friend, he said my videos are boring.
I don't know.
I'm not sure if he's joking or being serious, but yeah, Richard, if you think that my videos are boring, well, and as a treat to you guys, I'm going to share with you all some bloopers, behind the scenes, and never before seen footages from the making of that very first vlog. So enjoy! Hi guys! As my first vlog, I'm going to show all of you how I work in Let's talk about the future plans and directions of this channel. As you can see, the main content of this channel is for travel. But every once in a while, I'm also going to feature contents about our life in Cebu, our food, our dialect, etc. And from here onwards, I'm also going to record and share with you guys my travels, not just locally but also internationally. So I'm really hoping that Corona will end and this pandemic will be contained so that traveling will be back to normal. God, I really miss traveling. Speaking of future plans, I hope the next time we can make a celebratory vlog like this in the future. We have already reached 2,000 subscribers. 2,000. Maybe by that time, we can have a live chat and wherein I can hand out some prizes to our subscribers. Maybe cash lang for 2,000 subscribers, and as we reach 10,000 subscribers, maybe I can hand out some gadgets. I'm thinking of tablets which can be used by our learners since we're having online education system as of the moment. So yeah, so I hope you guys will help me reach that milestone. And no ba yung interactions ha? Dreams and plans lang bitaw na. Anyway, if it happens, it will happen. As what Ann Curtis has said, dream big. Diba? Nothing to lose. So that's it. I guess that's it for tonight. Thank you all for joining me in this milestone. Thank you so much for everything. Take care, everyone. Please stay safe. The virus is still there. Please take your vitamins. And lastly, before I end this, I'd like to share my thoughts and prayers to our kababayans in Cagayan and Isabela. My prayers are with you. I hope you guys are safe. I have already sent some donation to a friend who is based in Cagayan, Isabela. And I encourage everyone who has the means and the capability to also help others. Please help our kababayans in Isabela and Cagayan. Stay safe, guys. Thank you.